This is a greeting card inspired by a Japanese Kokeshi doll. If you're watching this, you might have a kit to assemble your own. If you don't but you'd like one, check out the link in the description. Here are the tools you'll need. Scissors and a glue stick, or other adhesive. A glue stick is my preference. I find that wet glues like tacky glue or Elmer's tend to wrinkle the paper, and glue tape is just harder to work with for this. Optional tools are a toothpick and kneaded eraser, and these are just for cleaning up any excess glue. Here are the pieces that are included in the kit. First we have the kimono. This is the inside. This is the front with the notch, and this is the back. This flap will become the pocket. A nagajuban, for our purposes, is a tiny little triangle. In terms of a regular kimono, it is the layer that's worn under the main kimono that peeks out just a little bit at the collar. Face. Hair. This is the back of the hair, and this is the front of the hair, but each of these pieces are the same on both sides. We have our obi with obijime, bow, hair accessories, and a note card. Let's get started! Apply glue to the inside of the kimono on the side with the pocket, avoiding the pocket flap itself. Fold the kimono closed, making sure to line up the slots. This is where the obi will go later. Trim any white edges. Don't forget to check both sides. Place the kimono pocket side up and apply glue to the torso above the pocket flap. Align the bottom of the back piece of the hair with the line of the pocket, and center the hair horizontally between the sleeves. It might be easier to judge where the center is if you fold the sleeves to the front of the kimono. Apply glue to the back of the nagajuban and set it into the notch in the front of the kimono. Apply glue to the back of the face, that's the side without the chin line. Avoid the eyes and mouth, or clean any excess glue with the toothpick before putting it on the card. Line up the neck with the notch in the nagajuban, and center the face between the sides of the hair. The face will slightly overlap the upper points of the triangle of the nagajuban. Apply glue to the front piece of the hair and line up the edges with the piece already in place. The sides will fit right between where the sleeves fold. Fold the obi along the score lines and apply glue to the center section. Slide the sides through the slots from the front of the kimono. One of the ends is longer than the other, but it doesn't matter which side goes in which slot. Turn the kimono over and press to adhere the obi to the front. Then apply glue to the ends of the obi and press those down too. It doesn't matter which side is on top. The top edge of the obi will align with the top of the pocket, and it will also create the sides of the pocket to keep the note card in place. On the back of the bow, imagine a horizontal line at the top of the knot. Put glue below that line. If there's glue over the entire back of the bow, that's okay. Just don't press down here. That would glue the pocket closed. It'll be fine once the glue dries. Apply hair accessories as desired. Insert the note card into the pocket, either folded or unfolded. And you're all done! This card is available in 3 formats: as SVG files for your Cricut or Silhouette, as kits like shown here, or as completed cards. You can get all of these in my store. Check out the link in the description.